Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is super general top loading 7 kg washing machine. This one I'm going to give connection for the coin operate system. This one actually the machine is working. This machine we have to fix one of our customer space building. It is as a coin operating system because this one he willing to give for the others to use. Because of that only he supply this machine and this coin box for me. Now I have to connect with the coin supply operating system. Now I will show you how to connect this one. It is very easy for us and we will go to the next step. Now this machine actually we have to totally disconnect this machine control board wire harness, because this one no need for us. Here already having harness, this one already here board we can fix with the he provide this one actually connectors also. This one we have to connect with the washing machine wash motor and a drain motor, drain pump, and pressure sensor, and inlet valve. That's 5 items we have to connect. After that, we can use this one. Now I want to show you. I will show you this one. This one supply this board operating DC power. This is 12 watt supply. With the supply, it's working. This is actually China brand. This one power supply to the board from the machine. Now I will do one thing. I will show you how to check this connectors. If you having goggle lens, you can go for the goggle lens. I will show you how to do that, because this one already here mentioning with the Chinese language only. Because of that we don't know what is this connectors. Because of that I will show you how to do that. I having already Google lens. This one I'm using, and we can translate this one. Now I will show you how to translate this one. If you having Google Lens, you can go for that option, Google Lens app. After that, here already here written with the Chinese language only. Because of that, I'm going to check this one, and also I can translate now. If you want to listen this one, also you can listen. Now already here translate water inlet. You can see here. This one first one 3-pin one red water inlet switch. This one the grand. This one here already having motor reverse motor. That's mean main wash. This one, and I will go again another translator.
Water level switch. Shang public. OLXAM. X. Interface. B. Water level starts. Flowers on top. Motor reverse lever, motor forward lever. BLXA.
Like that you can check if it is you having any doubt. Now we know the problem. Now we know the connectors. This one water level, this one lead assemble, this one motor, this one drain pump and drain motor. This one power supply. Now we will give the connections as same. After that we can identify this one all the. Here I will connect like that for the colors. and we can fix like that. Also this one same color I'm going to fix. This is power connection. This one I'm fixing. This is three connectors. This one actually lead assemble I'm not going to use because of no need that one. And now we can give here this one pressure sensor. This one coming for the motor. This one drain pump and drain motor, and this one power connection. Now we will give the connections. Before that we have to give we have to disconnect the power line here, main control board. We have to remove this one first. Cut करण दो. Now we can remove like that, and after that we have to cut the line. I already cut the power line here. This one actually no need, I already disconnected because it's controlling by the coin operator system. Because of that, now we have to check here the top cover. I removed already 4 screws, here 1 and here 2, here also back side 2, and I already remove. Now I can take the harness assemble here like that. After that we can here we have to check here inlet valve and pressure sensor. The pressure sensor, it will come 3 wires are here. These 3 wires for the pressure sensor, and these 2 for the inlet valve. That's mean color is coming like this color, black, blue, and now these 3 wires is coming for the pressure sensor. Also these 2 wires coming for the inlet valve. Now the same color we have to find out from the down. Now I already cut here all the wires. Now you can see here safety, this one fuse. Now we need here only going up here, this is neutral wire. This 3 only we have to give power for the, this will go for the pressure sensor. These 2 wires, it will go for the inlet valve. Now this one capacitor, motor capacitor. Now I already disconnect all the wires. This one here, you can see here, this one for the drain motor. This one for the drain pump. Now we can give the supply. We need, I make already one supply code. Now I'm going to use this supply code. This one I'm going to use. Now I can give the power connections to do now. Now I already disconnected the connector. Now I'm going to fix for, this is for the pressure sensor. If you want to, you have to mark also, but now I'm going to do this one. This is blue actually. That one I'm going to fix for this one. The same we have to connect for the pressure sensor also. And this one I'm giving white color, and also brown I'm giving green color. Also these 3 wire we have to finish. here also, because this coin box he willing to fix on the wall. Because of that, he told 1.5 meter enough. That's why I took this length wire. Now this three wire we have to, as same, we have to connect with the pressure sensor. And see these three wires, this one go, it will go for the pressure sensor. This one now I fix like that. Also as same, we have to fix from the top also, from the pressure sensor. And now this three wire we have to connect. Identify here pressure sensor with three wires. The yellow I'm going to fix for the, this one brown color, maroon color, actually ash color. For ash, after that this brown color I'm going